Elections did not hold in some wards in Oru West and Ohaji-Egbema local government area in Imo State, yet results from those areas were uploaded, Electoral officers says.
Electoral Commission (INEC) to collect results in polling units where elections did not hold. The electoral officers say elections did not hold in some wards in Oru West and Ohaji-Egbema local government areas of the state, but results are coming from those areas. According to them, electoral materials did not arrive in these areas and were dispersed without voting. Therefore, the electoral officers wondered where the electoral body got the result it announced in these areas. Meanwhile, the lawmaker representing Ohaji-Egbema, Oguta and Oru West Federal Constituency, Honorable Kingsley Uju, is demanding the cancellation of the election in his constituency, saying the process was full of irregularities. The lawmaker also cried out to the Inspector General of Police, alleging a threat to his life and family members by the state government.
In my own polling unit, which is Budi 2B, where we had election in some polling units, but two polling units, 025 and 030, election was not held. And we demanded from ECG 40G. We weren't giving it to us from the EO, who is Mrs. Mweke. On getting here yesterday, we were given this form. Since morning we've been running around to submit this that election did not hold, and nobody wants to collect it from us.
I worked at Oru West, Ngbidi, Oru West, Ibiasebe. The EO refused attending to us. No vehicle to take me to where I'm supposed to work. I called her attention several times, but no avail. So I'm here to return the form EC4G so that I will exempt myself in case there is any result from that polling unit. I have 12 polling units. No election was conducted in any of them.
I worked as an SPO at Ubutu. In Oru West local government, but unfortunately the election did not hold, and I want to do the needful to exempt myself from all blames by submitting this form EC